war talk spoiling all the fun at every party this spring. I get so bored I could scream. Besides, there isn't going to be any war.
Not going to be any war.
Why, honey, of course there's going to be a war.
If either of you boys says war, just once again, I'll go in the house and slam the door.
But Scarlet,
Don't
honey.
you want us to have a war?
Wait a minute, Scarlet, honey, please.
Well, but remember, I warned you.
I've got an idea. We'll talk about the Wilsons are giving over 12 Oaks tomorrow.
That's a good idea. You're eating barbecue with us, aren't you, Scarlet?
Well, I haven't thought about that yet. I'll think about that tomorrow.
And we want all your waltzes. First Brent, then me, then Brent, then me again, that's all. Promise?
I just love to. If only I didn't have every one of them taken already.
Well, honey, you can't do that to us.
How about if we tell you a secret?
Secret Cuba.
Well, you know Miss Melanie Hamilton from Atlanta?
Ansley Wilkes' cousin? Well, she's visiting the Wilkes' at 12
Melanie
Oaks.
Hamilton's that pretty good. Who wants to know a secret about her?
Well, anyway, we heard that is they say that...
Ansley Wilkes is going to marry her. You know the Wilkes always marry their cousin.
Now, how do we get those waltzes?
Can't be true. Ashley loves me.
Scarlet! What do you suppose has gotten into her?
Do you suppose we said something that made her mad?
Miss Scarlet, where you going without your shawl and night air fixing to set in? And how come you didn't ask them gentlemen to stay